Pandas, 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 pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, my pandas. Good morning. Sorry about that. Had to change some of the text on the screen. Didn't want to spread any false information here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, pandas. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is either one of the happiest days or one of the saddest days for people. You guys like my my heart springs on my head? Good morning, everybody. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. What a day yesterday, pandas. I mean, talk about a perfect bounce off the 20 EMA. It just bounces right off of like a bouncing ball. 5-minute chart. Just a perfect bounce off the previous week's low. Amazing. What a day, though. What a day, really. We didn't spend much time above the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. You know, if you thought yesterday was confusing, I would say go to the higher time frame, such as the 5-minute chart, because I feel like the 5-minute chart was probably the easiest one to trade. You just go short, always in short after these two bear bars. You're literally always in short until you hit this critical support area, previous week's low. This is why I have the previous week's low on here. Typically acts as some sort of support or resistance. Top left of your screen, you can see my account balances for my stream accounts. I have a lot more accounts than this, but these are the ones I'm it's like my journey with you guys, and you guys kind of get a peek, get to peer into some of the evals or some of the funded accounts that we trade here, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I mean, the goal is 100K, pandas. We're on a 100K journey. This is the year of the panda, and we're trying to get to 100K. And we are about 12% there. If you add up all of my profits across my 4 accounts, with just these 4 accounts, we're about 12% there, pandas. Now, I mean, the goal is we gotta get the payouts. We gotta get to 20%, because by 20% we're about $5,000 on each account, and then we can start doing withdrawals. So we gotta get to about 20K, then we can start withdrawing. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. We also have a 1-day pass promo going on. It seems like the default now is 71% off. It's such a weird percentage, but yeah, I mean, it's better than 50%, so I'll take it. But the default discount seems to be around 71% off. And so if you use just code BBM, you'll get the best promo possible. But the caveat is this: it's 1 day to pass and 50% off resets. So hopefully you guys have subscribed and received the message I put out yesterday near the end of the trading day, where I posted, make sure you guys stock up on your 80% off codes, because today we were going to have a 1 day pass promo until later, ends on what? February what? 21st or something like that. When does it end? Yep, ends on the 21st. So hopefully you guys got that message, so you guys could take advantage of both promos essentially, right? Take advantage of the 80% off, and then with the 80% off, now whenever you trade, you have 1 day to pass, and there's a special, I guess just so you know, right? FYI. Let's say you have past accounts, you passed your evals yesterday. You do need to have at least one trading day during the promo. So make sure you have a trading day in the promo to pass your accounts. All right, Pans, let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Anshu, good morning. I have no problem opening my Ninja Trader. Mo7, good morning. Hansman, good morning. FZen, welcome. Lou, Exponential Trader, good morning. YL, what does your wife think of you, Panda, when you're bobbing your head in front of the screen? I'm gonna say nothing. Mrs. Panda thinks of nothing. Nothing. Doesn't mean anything to her. She does not like it, nor does she like it. Neither. Jim Kale, welcome. Avalon, welcome. Bill 7, good morning, Panda. Scalp that like button. Self-setter, anyone get the payouts yet? Yes, I think a couple people got their payouts. Blue Steel, good morning. Avalon, good morning. Mo 7, good morning. Bill 7, happy Valentine's Day. GC Burke, good morning. Welcome, Panda. Welcome to the stream. I'm Buy Money. We stream here every single day live. The Emini at 9:15 Eastern Time. Pandas, there is something that I wanted to correct from yesterday. Yesterday, someone mentioned that their accounts were not passed because they traded evals. They traded news on their evals, and that was actually false information. The truth is that the news actually busted their accounts. I know it's kind of crazy, but the news can bust your accounts. Even though you pass, quote unquote pass, sometimes Rhythmic is slow and the news is so violent and so volatile that it will bust your accounts. Like, it won't record, it won't it's kind of weird. It will mess up your threshold, and so it will possibly bust your accounts, but then for some reason you still pass them. As in, you reached the profit goal. You reached a profit goal, but yet it still busts your accounts. So it's a little bit strange, but it can happen. And so I think ultimately the good news is that trading news on evals is still okay. Yours truly traded news yesterday and was able to get some more funded accounts. So it's no problem. No problem. I think also in the Discord they said that trading news on evals, there's basically virtually no rules to pass evals. So we're still good to go, Pandas. With that being said, your best news is probably Friday. You do have news tomorrow. No big high impact news today, but Friday you have potential big news, PPI numbers. If I were to choose one, I guess it would be Friday. We do have potential big news tomorrow with unemployment claims. Is it unemployment claims tomorrow? Let me see. Sorry, no, it's not. It is unemployment claims. Tomorrow at 8:30, you have core retail, Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, and unemployment claims all at 8:30. That could be potentially big news too, Pandas. I mean, we're purely in a news-driven market, and it's it's annoying that we only really get good trading days with news, but it is what it is. I guess we can take that. We can use that to our advantage, right, Pandas? If we know that. If there's anything you can actually know in the market, that's edge. That's a little bit of edge on your side. If there's anything you can actually know in the market, it's hard to actually know something in the market with a high degree of certainty. We're about $2,000 away to payouts, and hopefully we can get it by the end of, or by this cycle. If not this cycle, then hopefully next cycle. I don't want to force the trades, but I essentially need to make around $400 a day. $400 a day. That's 2 scalps a day with 2 contracts. That'll get me close to the goal. Very close to the goal. Two 2-point scalps a day with 2 contracts. And it had to be perfect. You have to be perfect, trade perfectly. That's the hard part, Pandas. That's the hard part. 1 minute to market opens. We're obviously on a strong uptrend, I think. But currently converting a little bit into a trading range. This could be like a final flag of some sort. Usually when there's a flag at late in trend, you can always kind of suspect that it might be a final flag. Especially if it's near a resistance. That's the key. It needs to be near resistance. You got about 30 more seconds to market open, Pandas. So I requested on the 1st, approved on the 6th, and still waiting. Guess it will be tomorrow, but I had it early before. Yep. I think there was like a crackdown on a lot of the payouts. I think they really enforced the consistency rule in this round. I don't know if they're gonna continue to do that, but they seem to really want to enforce that this round. Big push up. Jeez, I mean, I thought it was Armageddon yesterday with this huge move down, but jeez, like we bounced up pretty much all the way back up. It's just crazy. It's crazy. Okay. Am I looking to go long, Pandas? Am I looking to go long? Kyle L, welcome. Kyle L, first panda that actually quoted or actually chatted today. Great morning, folks. How about this? If you enter with 10 contracts, scout 5 ticks, you could win it in 4 trades with almost 95%. That is what big mamas are for. If we get a big mama, then perhaps go heavy on the big mamas. Second entry long forming here. It's not bouncing off the 20 EMA here. It's just floating midair. Second entry long triggers with a good signal bar, but again, not close to any support, so don't really take that. This is not dripping. Too much drip. So it goes long here, reverses. We're above the 20 MA still. It's just getting a little funky. I'm not gonna lie. I almost feel like I just want to trade it like a trading range already, because it's getting funky. Price action is a little bit funky. We've got a lot of overlap here. Three pushes up. New high. I mean, I don't know. Could just be an uptrend. Could just be an uptrend here. Okay, bouncing off the 20 MA here. Bad signal bar. Do I want to continue long is a question. I don't want to continue long. Something weird is happening. Okay. Double top. Ooh, reversing here. Trap trade. But we have support right beneath it, and wow, scalp's easy. Easy scalp. Easy scalp right there for some. Nasty. Okay. It is still bouncing off the trend line that I thought it was going to bounce off. Huh. Inside bar. I don't know, pandas. I don't know. We do get that new high here. It is bouncing off our trend line that we put down. Hasn't broken the previous candle's high yet. Okay, strong bull bar. Okay, it makes a new low again, but I don't like this trend line. It could break through it. It could break out of the trend line now. I don't like the trend line. Okay, decent move down. Looks like it's about a drip here. Ric Flair drip. Okay, falling. Nice reversal at the end of all this. Unfortunately, triggers above the 20 MA. Get another reversal attempt here. I guess fortune favors the brave, pandas. The brave I was not. Hope you guys are doing well. Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day, pandas. Happy Valentine's Day. Geo, good morning. Rick Sales, good morning. Blacklight, welcome. Will you take full payout in payout city? Man, I want to. Man, I want to, but this is a journey. This is going to be a journey. I really want to keep my counts above 5K. That's like, so you can have perpetual payouts. I want to keep my counts above 5K, so I don't know. I think most likely minimum or whatever it is to get me to 5K. It'd be great if I can get my accounts up to like what 8,000. Just take it slow, pandas. Wait for your setup and strike. Let the market come to you. Okay, we're approaching the previous day's high on the 5-minute chart. You see this blue line? That little blue line right here? That's a previous day's high on the 5-minute. The reason why it's different than the 2000 tick is because I only chart the regular trading hours on the 5-minute chart. We're approaching this area. It can bounce off of here. I've seen it before. It can bounce off of there. I would like a certain setup on it, right? Like a double bottom off of it. A wedge bottom off of it. If it goes straight down to it, like most likely I'm not going to buy with a limit order there. It's going to be hard for me. 10,000 tick chart almost at the 20 EMA. Very close to it. We're almost at 20 EMA here. Okay, we touched the 20 EMA on the 10,000 tick chart. We are truly dripping here. We touched the 5-minute high. Previous day's high. It can act as support potentially. We may try to fill the gap even. Right? If it doesn't bounce off here, most likely try to fill the gap. Get to the next level. That's what I'm thinking, at least, pandas. I could be wrong, but that's what I'm thinking. For me, what do I want? I guess a second entry short. That's what I want to see. Or a fail second entry short here. It really depends on the quality of the setup, I guess. Kyle. Oh, 526. Have a great day. I appreciate your company for 5 seconds. Hey, but if you reach your goals, you reach your goals. Tell me anything else. Don't be, I mean, obviously don't truly answer this because I know what you guys are going to say. But making $529 within like 1 minute of work, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's see if we get a double bottom here. This makes sense too, right? Spiking channel. Testing the bottom of the channel here. Right, spike channel. And comes back to test a bottom channel. And then the market decides, are we going to break through or convert to a trading range? And I guess you can use the price action before it to get a better idea of what may happen. I'm thinking possibly trading range because we have all this overlap here. Decent amount of wicks, tails. Strong bear bar ending on its nearest low on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we get follow through there. No follow through can mean that we're bouncing off of here, because the more common thing is the follow through on this bear bar. But when there's no follow through, that means the market's trying to tell you we're basically in a trading range market cycle. When the thing that most likely doesn't happen, and then let's see if it actually reverses. At least that's what I think on the 5-minute chart. You should have some nice follow through on the bear bar like that, but currently I see none. Bill 7 with some good news. Panda, I got another eval last night to take advantage of the BBM discount. Let's go. I also updated the trade copy and I'm up in both accounts. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Keep it up. Please keep it up. 526 is nearly over half my monthly salary. I can't wait to become profitable, man. You'll get there. You'll get there. Either you'll get there or you won't. Just speaking facts today. All facts. Objective truth. This is objective. Trading range here. Starting to develop. Unfortunately, no setups for us. Like I mentioned, we can easily bounce off of that previous day's high. But the problem is I want to set up there. I want like a double bottom off of it, a wedge bottom, not just a straight up strong bear bar crashing right into it. That makes it very difficult to just go long. But yet some pandas have the cojones just to go long there. They don't care. They say, oh, we're at this level, I'm just going to buy. I don't care how we get there. As long as we get there, I'm buying. And that's what they're thinking. I believe in you guys. Most of I believe in you guys. I feel like I've seen sparks from everyone here. I really see sparks from everyone. Like everyone's showing like the little sparks, the potential that they have to become profitable. It's just you gotta get rid of those bad days. You gotta get rid of that bad day. You know what I'm talking about, pandas. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. That one bad day. And it's not Valentine's Day. That tilt day. Like, you kind of have to expect the unexpected today. If we're in a trading range, I don't know. Maybe I'll start selling with limit orders. I might do something crazy. Completely reverses that candle that was made. Right? You think this move was strong? V bottom. Double bottom here. Spike channel. Testing the bottom of the channel to make a trading range. The question is to range or not to range? To limit or not to limit? That is the question. Turtles, we are paying my debt off thanks to the child income tax we are getting this year from our little baby. Let's go, baby. Literally, let's go, baby. The trading demon does not care. Truly, when that demon calls, it's hard not to pick up. I'll tell you that much. It's very hard not to pick up. Get a higher low setup, maybe a second entry long. I'll take the second entry long here. Should I? Should I not? Baby started sitting up all by herself now. Man, that core strength. It's amazing. Jessica says, yes, exactly. I trade well most days and then get frustrated and trade to big one day and lose all my progress. I've been doing better lately though, but it's tough. Trading is more mental than anything. I think you guys got it right. Pandas, do I even want this trap here? I don't think I can take it, Pandas. Like, you gotta expect the unexpected today. Yeah, sorry, I don't know what it is, but my webcam keeps crashing. My webcam keeps crashing. Sorry about that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Go long, to go long, or not to long? That is the question. To trap or not to trap? I'm gonna say no trap here, Pandas. I'm gonna say no trap. I feel like this is trading range, so I want to expect the unexpected today, Pandas. You know what I mean? Sorry, Pandas. Had to munch on some panda treats. Not much going on here though. Just waiting for something. No setups. Trap does trigger and reverses immediately. I'm not sure what to make of this, Pandas. Second entry long triggers on the 10,000 tick chart.
10,000 tick trap.
Bad signal bar. Potential trading range. You usually can tell the market cycle for the day with the first 5 candles on the 5-minute chart. We have big down, big up, down. Most likely trading range day today, I think. I could be wrong, but it's just from what I'm gathering here, Pandas. From all the information I have, the best guess I can have today is that most likely trading range day. Decent push up here. I'm thinking sellers above this high, this high. So I'm thinking, if this is a trading range, then there'll be sellers above here and sellers above here. If it is a trading range, right? The 5-minute chart above these pivots. The second entry long triggers on the 5-minute as well. Whoo! Typically good setup, but with today's price action, I don't know. I just don't know.
10,000 tick trap.
Maybe more of a triangle than anything. I just know I don't have any setups right now for sure. Nothing I like. I'll be right back. All right, pandas, what's going on here? Absolutely nothing as I can see. As far as I can tell. Little triangle forming here. Okay. When we're in triangles like this, it's best to wait for it to show its true colors. I think, at least. Second entry long here for me, actually. Hidden. Second entry long. ABC. Could be enough to break out. Could be enough. Curious to see what happens here. Again, the 5 minute not really showing us much other than the big down, big up, and then sideways. So if this turns to trading range, then we are going to come back down, but it could be a bull flag as well. Okay. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5 minute chart could give us more confidence to the bulls just to start buying anything. Always in long by the close. You can tell they try to buy the close here because the moment this candle ended, the next candle basically begins right when it ends with no tail whatsoever. So there wasn't even any type of pullback here. People just bought the close right when this closed.
$10,000 tick trap.
But I'm going to pay attention as much as possible to our market cycle here. It's outside bars being created, overlapping bars. Not that many wicks though, not like big wicks and big tails. So that's one thing it has going for it. It's not like it's a lot of overlap, but not like big wicks and big tails really. Lots of bodies. High body count here. Okay, if you're a bull, this is your entry. A entry at least. I don't know what to make of this, pandas. Sorry. John Lee says, I'm in the second entry long on 10K and holding. Okay, limit order market. Like I said, probably sellers above this pivot high, which is what we're seeing here. And that's because we had the big down, big up. So it makes me feel like trading range, market cycle today. So you can expect sellers near the top, even up here, up here. The thing is, it's like the 5 minute candle printed such a strong bull bar. It made me like wonder, maybe it's a bull flag? A second entry long bull flag? I don't know. But do I have confidence just to go short here is a question. I don't know. It's a tough one for me. Going back to the triangle. Might be a good entry for some. It's actually a good looking signal bar coming off our support here. Only problem is I feel like we're on top of a trading range. I don't like to go long in this situation. No matter. It basically reverses already. Okay, this triggers. I'll probably take the reversal of it. I'll take a failed trap here. Actually looks decent, right? Coming off of our coming off our trend line, also off the 20 EMA, it's just feels like a trading range, so I don't want to go long on the top of it. That's the only reason why I don't want to go long here. But otherwise, it looks like a good setup to go long. Decent setup to go long. Maybe I can go long and try to go short at the top here. I don't know. I don't know, Panis. This is tough for me. Too many conflicting things going on. I mean, for me, what trumps everything is market cycle. That trumps everything. That is the number one thing I should be aware of. Market cycle, and we're in trading range market cycle. Looks decent. I might have missed it. It's tough. I don't know. I don't know, Panis. Ends up being a nice trade. Coming off the 20 EMA, also off our trend line here. Trap may trigger on the 10,000 tick. Okay. I don't know what to make of this. Oh, that's true. I didn't realize it. We are actually the 5,000 level. Good observation. We are right at 5,000, a big round number. Market might like this area here. Watch, I'm basically waiting for a 5-minute setup here now at this point. Okay. Failed second entry long. That's my best setup on the 2,000 tick. Are we gonna get it? I doubt it, but it'd be ideal for a trading range. Trap triggering. I want the trigger on the 10,000 tick. 10,000 tick trap. Do I want to take the trap on 10,000 tick? It's hard to resist. Not lie. Market cycle trumps everything, pandas. Market cycle trumps everything. If it's trading range, you gotta trade at the trading range.
$10,000 tick trap.
I do not know why I'm trying this, but pandas, I'm attempting it. Stick to my guns on the trading range. Big up, big down, or big down, big up. Buyers beneath here, which is a limit order market, but I'm on the wrong side of that one. Right, buyers beneath the previous candle's low, which is perfect for trapping me. So it seems like it's happening here. And there may be sellers up here, so I may just be like bouncing back and forth with stop orders when I should be entering with limit orders here. Darn. Basically 5 minute, I'm thinking we're gonna come back down. It's just, to me, it just seems like trading range price action, so I'm gonna try to trade it like a trading range. Come back down to the bottom of the trading range. The problem is like these stops are huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this is huge stops. Ooh, I like this. If this actually happens, I'll take it. Maybe we take it with 2. Maybe even take it with 2. I like this one a lot. Let's try. Let's try. I like it a lot. Inside bar. I don't know. Feels 50-50 to me now. In this trap trade. Oh boy. Expect the unexpected today, pandas. This is not good. This trap's like easily gonna reverse here on me. Whoa! Ouch. I like that a lot too. That's the problem. I like that trade a lot. But it didn't work. And now it's gonna bite me in the butt here. It's gonna go into outer space, huh? You going to outer space now? Second entry short. Jeez. Have to go short again here. One last try to go short. If it doesn't work, pandas. Big pain, big pain. mean, if it doesn't work, most likely this is gonna be like a super strong uptrend. Yeah, that's signal bar. I cannot take in that signal bar. That's too bullish. This looks really bullish now.
10,000 tick trap.
Like, I'm not gonna lie, it looks very bullish. Yeah, I almost want to just get out of this trade. Skunk it with a loss. Don't take the full stop. Because it looks so bullish. It looks very bullish.
Target filled.
I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna skunk it, Pandas. I don't like how it looks. It looks very bullish. 10,000 tick chart looks very bullish to me too. Right, we got trap trade setting up here. My trap fails, which is unfortunate. I really like that trade a lot. I really like that trade. But, Pandas. It is what it is, right? We got a breakup trend, new high, and, jeez. And trading range price action, so I felt like we're at the top of trading range. Thought we can get back to the bottom of the trading range. L4 on the 5-minute chart. This does trigger the second entry short here. I might have skunked it too early. I mean, it looked very bullish. I skunked it. I just said whatever. I don't want to hold. I don't want to wait to find out at this point. I don't want to wait to see to find out. But this is like now looking good. Hey, it is what it is. Expect the unexpected today, Pandas. My stream seems okay. I don't think anyone else is finding issues. Marcus Vaughn, hey Panda, it's funny because my 1.5-year-old boy loves when the panda faces on the screen while you trade. He gets all close and starts smiling. This is a family channel, Pandas. That's why I don't cuss. I try to keep it family friendly. I mean, I took the hit. I think it's worth it. It's just too confusing. It's very confusing for me. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3 hits now. Potential trap still can trigger here. I'll take the failed trap here. I mean, it's a limit order market. I should be buying. Buying here, selling up here. Right, I should be doing that. But I'm not. I'm not going to do it. I'm too scared to do that. I'm too scared of breakouts. Okay, trap does trigger to go long. Maybe it needs to make one more new high here. I don't know, man. This was tough. I don't know. I like that short a lot. What can I say? What can I say? If you like something a lot, you go for it, you know, Pandas. You go for it. I'm supposed to make an average 400 plus a day. I'm negative 400. I'm doing the opposite today, Pandas. Absolute opposite. Trap might trigger on a 10,000 tick. This is too choppy, though. It's too choppy. I don't know. This one's weird. This one's definitely weird, Pandas. It's a limit order market, that's for sure. Look at the 5-minute chart. Limit order market, dojis now. Like, I should be selling up here. Should be selling up here. Should be selling above all these candles, to be honest. I should be. But will I? I have no idea. Decent push up here. I think good skunk for me at the end, ultimately. Should be selling up here, should be selling up here. Limit order market. Tough. Ultimate good skunk. That's okay. Down 437. No problem, pandas. No problem. That is no problem. A-okay, pandas. I kind of want to sell up here, pandas. I'll sell like 2 points above here. The 5-minute chart. Sell up here. They get a double top of some sort. One point above. People selling 1 point above. People selling 1.5 point above. That's a strong bull bar. You don't like selling into strong bull bars. I'll tell you that much. I'm scared, pandas. I can't do it. How do people sell with limit orders? I just can't do it. I don't have the cojones. I don't have the cojones to do it when you have a strong bull bar like this. It's kind of like the strong bear bar. And then just absolutely reverses. Strong bull bar maybe will absolutely reverse here. But how do you have the cojones just to sell right there? I don't know. I truly don't know how you have the cojones to do that. It's like jumping in front of a freight train, hoping that it just reverses on a dime. Whew. Trap trade on the 10,000 tick is probably what's going to propel this into outer space. All right, we got trap trade on 10,000 tick, which is another reason why I got out early. Because I saw this trap about to trigger. I didn't want to stick around to find out what happens. I didn't want to stick around to find out what happens. I'm glad I didn't. My 2 contract trade was small. Right, I went short here, 1, 2.5 points. That's why I went in 2 contracts. The risk was very small. But, you know, a loss is a loss, which sucks. But if I'm going to lose, I want to lose small, right? If I'm going to go in big, like I don't mind losing right there with 2.5 points, $250. Ultimately, pandas, this could just simply be a push down and opening reversal right off the previous day's high, and then this can be a strong bull trend. I just didn't like all the price action between it. Very confusing for me, so I felt like trading range was about to ensue because of all the overlapping bars. Started to create wicks and wicks and tails. So for me, it was a little bit confusing. I was really deciding if this is going to be trading range or not. And obviously, I chose a side to go short, and I was wrong. But I chose a side at least, with the trying to make sense of what I had. But I also should have noticed most likely people were going to buy with limit orders beneath previous candles lows. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that should have stopped me. I don't know. That's why trading ranges are hard for me. Timothy, true, my 4-year-old asks where you're at all the time. Navo, thanks for becoming a panda again. Appreciate it. You know, I guess we'll go long, pandas. I guess we'll go long? Question mark, question mark? I mean, I guess bull trend. We're gonna try to find a long entry now. What a move up. What a move up. Tough, tough, tough. We make a measured move on this candle on the 5-minute chart. So for those who went long here, your stop loss is 1 tick underneath, your entry is 1 tick above, and we made a perfect 1-to-1 on this candle. On this candle here, perfect 1-to-1. Does that mean anything? I don't know. We may find some profit taking here. Are we always in long, pandas? Again, it's just we're just so far away from a 20 EMA. Like the more common thing is we come back to it somehow. Either it comes up to us, we pause, and it comes back up to us, or we come back down to it. Usually that happens. You're that far away. So even though it's bull trend, I'm like hesitant to go long. But you gotta trade what's in front of you, I guess. Still going up. I mean, even if it's going up, I don't know if I can just buy here. It's just, I just can't just buy. I just can't do it when it looks like this. Gotta expect some sort of pullback first. Maybe coming back to the 20 EMA here. Okay, reversing. Maybe profit taking at that 1-to-1, like I mentioned. 5-minute right 1-to-1 here on this candle. Strong bull bar. People just bought above when we broke beneath and bought above, right? Second entry long. They made a 1-to-1 now on that. Maybe profit taking at that 1-to-1. Don't know. Okay, first entry long. I guess I'll wait for a second entry long here. Second entry long, maybe double it up for a reversal for a failed second entry long. That's how I would take it. What does Mrs. Panda say though? What do you mean? Pandas, we currently have a promo going on. 1 day to pass evals, 50% off resets. No codes needed, but we do have BBM giving 71% off. Hopefully you guys took advantage of it yesterday when it was BBM 80% off. And I gave you guys a warning or a heads up that today we would have the 1 day pass eval. So hopefully you guys stock up so it's like as if you're purchasing them at 80% off, but have the 1 day promo. Are we in long or are we in short? I don't know. Mrs. Panda has no opinion. Second entry long here, maybe. Mrs. Panda is the best. She is. Charles, I'm going to sell 5004.50. Yes, exhaustive. It's an ugly one. Pandas. Second entry long. Ooh. Okay. I actually like that, right? Come back to the 20 EMA here. Give me a nice signal bar if we can get it. Most likely buyers beneath. 5-minute chart. Most likely buyers beneath. They have been showing their colors since the beginning. Always buying beneath previous candles lows. It's a second entry long. It could be a decent looking one. A, B, C.
10,000 tick trap.
If it traps, I'll double it up on the trap. Look for a swing. It is what it is. Strong bear bar ending on its low now. I'm gonna go long here is a question. We're beneath the 20 MA like that.
$10,000 tick trap.
Prefer not to have an outside bar reversal. It's a good looking signal bar, second entry long. Prefer not to have an outside bar reversal. I'm gonna let the candle finish. I'm gonna let the candle finish. I'm gonna let the candle finish. I don't want an outside bar reversal. I'm gonna let the candle finish. In this trade, doubled it up. Looking for a swing now. Probably the last trade of the day for me. If this gets me here, then this is just a wacky day. It's wacky, Pin. This is wacky. The trap fails. Second entry long fails. Second entry fails. Trap fails. Everything fails. Get some bamboo. Last trade of the day, Panis. What happens, happens. It's a 1-to-1 on that. May got a little greedy here, but hopefully I can get my 1-to-1 at least. It's like an invisible force field stopping it from filling me.
Target
there it is.
filled.
Let's go, baby. One to one. Let's see how far the runner can go. How low can you go? How low can you go? I mean, hopefully it's one of those forever runners. Hopefully it's one of those forever runners, pandas. That would be amazing if we have a forever runner here. I would love to see it. Let's get that forever runner, pandas. It's been a while. It's been a while since we had a forever runner. But if this is truly a trading range, we should come back down here. I'm basically putting it at the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That's what it's on. Pandas. Do we have a forever runner here? I almost just want to come out break even at this point from my loss. If this was the reverse, if this V bottoms here, that's just a shame. Pandas, that's just a shame. If this V bottoms here, pandas, it would be a shame. Truly a shame. You know, I just asked for one time, just one time. It becomes one of those trends that never reverses. You know, I want to enter early in one of these trends that just, you know, like you're basically just, if you're trying to go short, you're like, I can never find an entry. Pandas, one time, just one time, I want to be in that situation where I enter with the runner and I enter a trend that's just can never find a two-legged pullback because it's just continues to go down. One time, pandas, one time. Can we get it? Can we get it, pandas? Oh, I'm going Super Saiyan. Super Saiyan! Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Made a new low. Or new high. Or, sorry, a lower high. Come on. Don't even give bears a second entry short. Because this is so bearish. Don't even give them a second. Don't even give them a chance. One time, pandas. One time. You know what I'm talking about? Whenever you like see this massive trend and you're like, I just want to get in. Just give me a second entry. Give me some sort of setup. And it never gives it to you. I want that to happen right now to the bears. The bears saying, oh man, I just want to get in. I see the strong bear trend. And the market just doesn't give it to them. All the while we have a nice runner in the beginning of the trend. And now we got a second entry short, pandas. We would. You would give the bears a chance, and then it's gonna trap, and it's gonna take me out. That's just how the story goes. This is gonna trap and take me out. This is how it is, pandas. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Coming back up. It's going to be a shame if it takes me out, pandas. But it is what it is. It's going to be a shame if it takes me out. Darn. I would love if it didn't. What can you do? What can you do? Second entry short? Maybe. Do I want to take a second entry short here, pandas? I feel like I'll be punished for my greed. Panda, second entry short? Get punished for my greed here? Shall we? For the content? It's such a bad signal bar. It actually is. At least get me to the 20 EMA here. Yeah, at least get me to the 20 EMA. If you can give me such a bad signal bar. I hope it just doesn't V-bottom though. V-bottom take me out. This would be a shame. Such a shame. Wow. Pandas. You wouldn't believe it if I told you. Oh, so I have to show you. Yeah. It basically hit the 1-to-1 and then the 1-to-2 perfectly, pandas, and reversing off that 1-to-2. This is absolutely Super Saiyan pandas. We got the second entry short. I'm not in it though. Right? I mean, I'm in it with the runner, but I didn't enter because how terrible signal bar is, not close to the 20 May. But regardless, it's good news for us. As long as we're in his runner. As long as it doesn't trap. Please don't trap. If this traps here, pandas, it's gonna suck. It's gonna suck. Give me a new low at least. Give me one new low. You gotta make a new low, yeah? At least one new low. One new low, please. Come on. Come on. Make a new low. I don't think we're going to get it. It looks like a trap. Jeez. It would trap. And that's why I didn't take the short, because of the trap potential here. I just hope it doesn't take me out. That's all I hope for, pandas. I just hope it doesn't take me out. Potential short trade here, maybe. Maybe I'll consider it. If it's a good looking signal bar, I think it'd be hard to pass up. It's basically a failed trap beneath the 20 MA. Don't blame me, because I tried, pandas. At least I tried. I don't want an outside bar reversal in this trade. Oh! Oh!
Target.
Oh! Oh! Ah! I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. 100% calculated. Woo! Ric Flair, woo! I mean, sometimes, pandas, you know, you gotta get hit a couple times in order so you can get back up. You gotta get knocked down in order to get back up sometimes, pandas. You gotta get hit sometimes. Gotta get hit sometimes, pandas. Y'all know, sometimes you gotta get hit in order to get back up. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart and saying, why wouldn't we test the 20 EMA at this point? Like, why wouldn't we? This is what I'm saying to myself right now. That's what I'm saying. Like, why wouldn't we test the 20 EMA at this point? Like, we should, I think. It's such a strong magnet, that 20 EMA, especially on a day like this. Big down, big up, big down. Right, the 5-minute showing early, big down, big up, then big up, big down. Trading range, price action. How can I say? But why wouldn't we test the 20 MA, pandas? Y'all know? Why wouldn't we at this point? At least we should hold it till then, no? I think. Ric Flair, whoo! Move the stop. Never. Never move the stop. I would if I felt signs of reversal here, but right now I have nothing to worry about. It's at break even, right? It's at break even at my over here. Why wouldn't we test the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart is the question. Like, why wouldn't we at this point? I feel like we might as well test it, right? That's where I'm gonna put my target here. It keeps wiggling because as it moves, the 20 EMA keeps moving. So my order keeps moving around. It adjusts. Right? I attached it to the 20 EMA. If you didn't know, you can attach your order to indicators. So right now, it will just adjust itself as it continues to update, develop.
Target filled.
Whoo! Ric Flair. Whoo! Pandas. Pandas. What was the goal? 400 a day. What did I say? What did I say? Pandas. Pandas. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Wow. I mean, that was not easy. I'll just say that much. It was not easy. Stick to the plan, Pandas. Stick to the plan. I got a hit here. That was really good. And then I like this one a lot too. What gave it away was a big up, big down in the beginning. I just felt like I just had trading range written all over it. I mean, this can keep going down, but I hit my targets. I feel happy. I'm glad. I think I hit my targets well here. Let's get it, Pandas. Let's get it. Whoo! Whoo! Get! Happy Valentine's Day. We're all in a good mood. Anyone that jumped onto that trade, we're all in a good mood now. Get it. Pandas, hey, it's been real. It's been real. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. If you guys did, make sure you scalp that like button. And Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow at 9 o'clock for the pre-market 9:15 for mainstream. Remember, there's news tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Mark your calendars. And again, there was false information yesterday, fake news yesterday. The person who said that that Apex didn't allow them to get funded with their evals because they traded news is actually fake information. And what happened was the news actually busted their accounts, and they thought they had passed it, but really they didn't. So that's what really happened. So I'm just saying that. So for those who are interested, right, especially because we had the 1-day promo, right? We had the 1-day to pass promo. Take advantage of it. 50% resets. Hopefully you guys stocked up on 80% off evals yesterday. I mentioned it on the message. Hopefully you guys saw it on the post. If you didn't, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss messages like that. But I told you guys yesterday that today we would have the 1-day promo pass. So hopefully you guys are taking full advantage of that. But Pandas, hey, what a day! What a day! We're getting there, Pandas. We're getting there. Every day, we're getting closer and closer. All right, Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. One last bamboo for you guys. And guys, definitely don't do this.
10,000 tick trap.
Don't go on tilt. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. That being said, happy trading. God bless. Bye.